Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Another vlog. If this is your first time joining, thank you so much for coming and checking me out. My name is Faye. I'm so glad to have you. And if you're returning, hey, welcome back. I'm just jumping in to just say a quick hello and wish you guys a good day. Today is Thursday, December the 8th, and right now I'm just chilling, just hopped out of the shower. So I'm about to watch me a movie on Netflix and chill, you know. But first I wanted to open up some packages with you guys. I received several packages, so I'm just going to go through and let you guys see what I have. So I'll pull you up in a sec. All right. Okay guys, this is one of the things I received from Amazon, a package that came in. So it is a black queen size comforter, and just gonna let you guys see how it looks. Okay guys, this is how the comforter is looking on my bed. I love it. Basic black, but black is beautiful, honey. So I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, I'll call you guys back. Okay guys, these are a few things that I received in from Amazon. I did try to stack up on paper towel, so I got that. And then I got some Kool-Aid jammers as well as some Gatorade. I also picked up a bottle of Windex because I was completely out of it, so I got that as well. Okay, and I also picked up a pack of the 7th generation bath tissue because I needed to restock up on that as well. And then also that came in from Sephora. It's the Fenty Skin Body Butter. Okay guys, and another package that I received from Amazon was this pack of Dove soap, and it's 8 pods in here. So yeah, let's open the next package. Okay guys, I picked up this here. It's called the Pink Stuff, and it's supposed to help with keeping your bathtub and shower clean. So I'm going to give this a try, and I'll let you guys know how that turns out. All right, I'll be right back. What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Faye. So glad to have you. If you're returning, hey, welcome back. Guys, I'm on my way to Target to pick up a few Christmas gifts and other items, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. So hey, let's get it. Peace and blessings.
you wanna do, babe? What you wanna do,
Beautiful Wisconsin. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Welcome back, y'all. Now, y'all know I could not pass up the opportunity to grab an Italian beef dipped well with hot peppers at the famous, infamous Patello's. So I'll give you guys a shot once I open it up. All right. Okay, guys, I finally made it back home safely. We have a little bit of a snowstorm going here in Wisconsin, so a lot of people forget how to drive when it first starts snowing or raining. So just thank God that we made it safely. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the Patello's that I received. All right. Y'all, I am about to devour this. I am so hungry. I haven't eaten anything. I missed breakfast this morning, so I'm definitely going to enjoy this for lunch. So I'll call you guys back. So y'all, while I'll sit here and enjoy my lunch, I'm just going to go through these bags and kind of show you guys what I picked up from Target. All right. Okay, I picked up another phone case for myself. So I thought that was really cute. So I want to give that a try. I needed a planner for 2023. So I picked that up. Of course, you can't have enough washcloths, so I picked up some more of those. I picked up this pack of ornaments to add to my Christmas tree. Of course, in order to wrap my gifts, I needed some more Scotch tape, so I picked that up. I picked up a few more cute little ornaments to add to my tree. I really like this one a lot. And with it being cold outside and snowy, we definitely need some hot chocolate, so I picked up a couple boxes of those. I picked up a couple of these containers here. I can add like my pasta or whatever in here. And these were $5, so I thought those were cute. I also picked up a couple of candles that smell really, really good, but I like this one the most here. So I can't wait to get that going in my bedroom. Okay, y'all, I picked up this outfit here. During the winter months, I like wearing mainly sweatsuits, so I picked up this in a size small, I believe, yes. And then the top there. Okay, and I picked up this little Spider-Man truck for my great-grandbaby. So he's going to be excited about that. Also for my granddaughter and my great-grandbaby, I picked them up matching jammies for Christmas. So they're going to look so cute. I can't wait for them to see them in them and take some pictures. Okay, for the great-grandbaby, he definitely did not need this, but I guess my bae just wanted him to have it, so we went ahead and got that for him for Christmas also. Also got the little Batman car for him as well. For my niece, I picked this up here for her, so I'm sure she's going to enjoy that. Okay, and also for my granddaughter, she just put the tree up, but she needed a tree skirt, so I went ahead and picked one up for her. And to do my little Christmas cheers, I picked up one of these little sippy cups here. I think it was, $3. guys, this is the coconut and honey candle that I picked up at Target, and it smells freaking amazing. So I just thought you guys should know that. All right, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and get the scanning some of these receipts. I am not sponsored, but Fetch Rewards is definitely worth downloading to get your receipts scanned in and turn those over into points for gift cards. So I will call you guys back once I'm finished.
What you wanna do, babe?
Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm going to go ahead and finish up this vlog, but I wanted to show you guys what we're having for supper since the sister is not in the mood to be cooking tonight. So let me let you see. So we got the infamous Papa John buffalo style chicken, and I got a couple sauces on the side, as well as a large Philly cheesesteak and ground beef pizza, in which my grandson has already hit it up. So I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this and chill out for the rest of the night. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. If you're not subscribed, please take time to go ahead and subscribe. We have so much going on over here, and I will definitely love to have you as part of the Faye Babe family. Okay, you guys, you stay blessed and stay safe. Know that you are loved because you're still here. All right, peace and blessings.